What's going on? Welcome to another video. Today we're actually working on this bad boy. I don't know how much we're gonna take off today, but we're gonna at least take the valve cover off and maybe a few other things, but I'm not sure. So without any further ado, let's get into it. All right. So I've already taken these off, which they are 10 millimeters. These down here for the fuel rail are going to be 10 millimeters as well. I've taken coolant hoses off, which you'll see me put it all back on when I'm done. I've taken motor mount off, and I've actually, with the power super clean, which is great, I cleaned up this side of the motor a little bit. It used to be all black, so I think today we're just gonna pop this off, take a look on the inside, and as far as the process of pulling this out, it took about 6 hours. There's a slave cylinder, but yeah, 6 hours. And yeah, we're just gonna tear this apart. We're gonna get the rebuild kit for this, which is like $300. So we're gonna get that, rebuild it, replace the piston rings, and throw her back in. Let me know what color I should paint this, because I don't like black. I need it to pop, you know? So let's get to it. This is what we're looking at. Just some background. I did have everything adjusted at one point, and they put new gaskets along everything, so I did have somebody do some work on this before. And if you're out in Arizona, I believe it was called Import Powerhouse, so yeah. Woo, boy, we definitely need some new injectors. These are probably original from 96. So there's gonna be 10 bolts total. You got 6 up here and 4 on the bottom. So I already broke them loose. Well, the top ones at least. There's also a hose right here that you have to disconnect. Careful, there might be coolant in it. Alright. But once you get it going, oh, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you also got to take this hose off, and then it should be free after that. Well, this is the final product. That's what we're working with. I took the alternator off and the brackets, and I just started cleaning. But we're gonna leave it right here actually. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button, the subscribe button, leave a comment on any tips, and I'll see you in the next one.